car repair kit from TikTok. These are super handy too. If you're underneath your car, you're working, and there's a tool just right out of your reach, just go ahead and stick one of these handy dandy grabbers on there and you can get it. You've got multiple extensions and you've got two different types of tips. Got a ton of these, which is used for getting into hard, tight spaces or to take some trim off, or if you're just doing some real cleaning on your car, these help really well just to get into all those nooks and crannies. Definitely go check it out on the shop and see if this is something that you would like to